Hello everyone, I am Nitin Patidar. We are discussing today HDFS implementation and installation. Today's agenda is Introduction to HDFS, key features of HDFS, HDFS architecture, working mechanism, read and write operations, implementation in data analytics, installation requirements, step-by-step installation on Linux and Windows, configuration files overview, verification and web interface, advantages and limitations of HDFS, real-world applications, future of HDFS, and summary and references. Introduction to HDFS. HDFS stands for Hadoop Distributed File System. It's a primary storage for Hadoop applications. It offers fault tolerance, scalability, and reliability. It manages large datasets across clusters of commodity hardware. Key features of HDFS: high throughput, optimized for streaming data. Fault tolerance, replicates data automatically. Scalability, easy to expand by adding new nodes. Replication factors, default is 3. Data locality, computation near data location. HDFS architecture. HDFS architecture shown in the figure. The main component of HDFS architecture are name node, data node, and secondary name node. Name node, master server managing metadata. Data node stores actual data blocks. Secondary name node periodically checkpoints metadata. HDFS working mechanism. Step 1, user upload a file to HDFS. Step 2, file divided into 128 MB blocks. Step 3, blocks stored across data nodes. Step 4, metadata block information stored in name node. Step 5, processing runs near data. Step 6, client retrieves complete file using name node directions. Read operations in Hadoop distributed file system. Client requests file from name node. Name node provides block location. Client retrieves blocks directly from data nodes. Write operation in Hadoop distributed file system. Client contacts name node for permission. File is split into blocks. Blocks replicated and stored across data nodes. Confirmation sent to client. We saw in figure. Implementation in data analytics. The Hadoop distributed file system is the data layer for analytics frameworks like Hive, Spark, and Pig. Enables parallel computation used for ETL, long processing, recommendation systems. Example is Twitter data analysis using Spark over Hadoop distributed file system. Installation requirements: hardware 4 GB RAM per node and 50 GB disk space. So in software, Hadoop 3.x and JDK 8 Plus and SSH. Linux preferred configuration files core site.xml, hdfs site.xml, maprate site.xml, and yarn site.xml. Installation steps on Linux. First of all, install Java JDK, then download Hadoop, then extract Hadoop and configure environment variables, edit XML configuration files, format name node, HDFS name node format, start HDFS services, start -dfs.sh, access web user interface by given link. This is the example of core site.xml. Verify installation. Check running daemons using JPS should show name node, data node and secondary name node. Upload a text file using given commands. Hadoop distributed file system web interface. It accessed at given link on our local system, displays data node, health, block reports and uses. Now installation on Windows. First of all, install JDK and Hadoop binaries for Windows. Configure environment variables, edit configuration XMLs, format name node and start daemons. Advantages of Hadoop distributed file system. It is scalable and distributed, fault tolerance, high throughput, cost effective because it is use commodity hardware, suitable for big data workloads. Limitations of Hadoop distributed file system. It is inefficient for small files, lacks random access, high latency for small requests, Java dependency. Real world applications. Netflix use Hadoop distributed file system for recommendation system. Facebook used for log analytics. Amazon used for transaction analysis and healthcare used for diagnostic data storage. Future of Hadoop distributed file system. Cloud integration, AWS S3, Azure Blob. Enhanced fault recovery, better security, artificial intelligence and machine learning driven data layers. Summary of this lecture. Hadoop distributed file system is the backbone of Hadoop ecosystem. Ensures distributed fault tolerance storage. Easy installation with simple configuration. Powers big data analytics globally. Here are some references. Apache Hadoop documentation, tutorial point, Hadoop setup, Greek for Geeks or HDFS architecture, Dataflare or Hadoop installation guide. Thank you everyone for attending this lecture. I have tried to understand you Hadoop distributed file system implementation and installation. I hope you all are understand it very well. Again, thank you.